All right, guys, this is my second drone deer recovery job. It's a bit sunny out. It's like 60 degrees, so that's gonna cause a challenge. But the deer was shot like 4 or 5 hours ago. It was a liver shot, so it should be dead by now. Hopefully we can find it. It's on private property, but we have permission, so wish us luck. Hopefully we find this thing and it is dead. Peace. Yeah, I've heard of people getting their drones shot down, like by farmers. I'm actually not sure. Oh, I'm seeing something. Okay, it's not another. Is that fur I'm seeing, or is that a rock? Looks like a tail.
Oh, he's moving.
Oh, he is. Is that him?
Where is it? I don't see it.
Yeah, you can see his antlers moving. See him?
No.
Let me get a better angle for you.
That
Well, I
would
guess
be
you-
the exit
Oh,
side.
yeah, I see his antlers. No, that's probably him.
It's a big buck. It's the only one we've seen, so.
That would be the exit side, but I mean, I had a full pass through with.
Good thing we didn't spook him. 'Cause I would have thought he's dead by now. Yeah, the blood was pouring out for a second there. It's still there. That's the wound.
He's got to be dying. We just can't go in there yet.
Right.
Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. Alright,
guys, we found the deer. It was not dead. It was definitely a lethal shot. It's a very nice buck. It's still laying down. It's definitely dying soon, so we're gonna come back later in 2 hours, check if it's dead again before sunset, and then recover it. It's in another person's private property, so they're talking to him right now, getting permission to go and recover their deer. But we were all happy to find it, so woo, let's go. Looked like he tried to move or something. No, it looked like he tried to, because like he's not in the same spot exactly. I bet you he's dead, but
oh, he's done.
There's flies around him already.
He's done. His face, he's done.
Yeah, his tongue's probably sticking out.
Yep,
Let's go get him.
Right out.
Yee! Got him.